Winter Storm Benjamin, January 25th, 2026 at 3:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Got snow in the window here. There's also snow right over here too. I'm coming in through because this doors are not put in properly. Over here too. Oh, here it goes. It's very cold out. So yeah, it's about a little short video. There's snow coming in through this window here. And yeah. We're supposed to get a foot or more of snow today by the end of the storm, by the time the storm ends. So stay safe, y'all. Bye bye.